Yeah. How many am I going to put?
3. Benin is not even Jara, Benin is Doyo.
That's why I say it's, that one is pigeon.
Yeah.
It's not Jara. You don't say so.
This is full pot, giant pot, that you cannot even see what is inside.
I have to turn it.
Hey guys, hi families. Welcome you all back to our channel. Guys, yes guys, we are back again with another mukbang video. Guess what guys? I say guess what guys? In today's video, we are eating from a giant pot, family full pot. And we're going to be eating Eforiro, which is also known as vegetable soup, which is also known as spinach soup. And we are rocking it with full pot of pounded yam. How you are doing? Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. In case you are meeting us for the first time, I go by the name Desmond.
Is your baby get happy in the building?
You are highly welcome. Please don't forget to like, share,
and subscribe.
So let's say grace. Father, we thank you for today. We thank you for blessing us with this delicious food. Father, as you have blessed us with this food, bless those that don't have to eat. Bless our subscribers and viewers. We cover them with the blood of Jesus. In Jesus' mighty name we are praying. Amen.
I have to close my eyes because when you are praying,
so guys,
I understand we close our
come
eyes.
closer. Oh, this is hot.
Absolutely.
The biggest pot. This is
so far.
Family pot.
How many am I going to put?
3.
3. Okay. Let me have my own.
Too small jara.
Do you even need this jara of eating that day? We said Yoruba said jara. Yoruba don't say jara. Yoruba say fusi. Yeah, fusi.
Who told you?
I saw it on the comment section. And fusi,
okay.
yes, I almost forgot that day, so guys. So I'm sorry for that.
Okay, who said jara? Bini.
No, that jara is just like a pigeon something. Yeah.
So pussy.
So let's go.
Benin is not even jara. Benin is Doyo.
That's why I say it's, that one is pigeon.
Yeah.
It's not jara. You don't say so.
This is full pot, giant pot, that you cannot even see what is inside.
I have to turn it for them to see what is inside. Guys, look at it.
I want to point the way you did it.
The way I did the other day.
Wow, I think this is.
It's enough?
I think so. It's enough.
I want you to be satisfied. More leaf.
A little leaf. Guys, it's raining, eh? It's really raining outside. In case you are hearing crack, it's the rain. It's just raining outside. Wow, this is enjoyment. Look at the smoke. The way it's evaporating.
I have to fussy.
Wow, tastes so good.
Yes.
So guys, come and let's
Dive in
and demolish.
Oh, I like the texture of this fufu.
Exactly.
So we're actually going to be doing this challenge now by not drinking water. Even though the food is hot in your throat, we are not going to be drinking water. sit back and relax and enjoy this. See, I cannot do that. Is that not what I'm doing? Sabi, sabi.
Only people that grow in the ghetto know how to do that.
How you grow up in the ghetto?
See you.
You see the ghetto man now. He just confirmed that he grew up in the ghetto. Noted.
I met this president's son before.
Do I know?
The way this food is hot, oh, I just love it.
Eating vegetable like this, don't let it cook too much so that you can still get some vitamin there.
My wife is a A1 in cooking, A1 degree. That's what she has, bachelor in cooking.
You see that? They won't know. Look at my comment section. Please bring your cooking video. I have so many cooking videos, guys. I will still be bringing more. Don't worry.
Some new method.
New ones.
If you are opportune to test our food, you will know that Idabasi is learning.
For real, not the one you see for television.
The food in white brain.
That the leaf is still almost green. Not that we then we cook, the whole of the nutrient from that green leaf will just vanish.
All the vitamin will disappear.
Fast. You will not even enjoy it. Oh, you are putting it.
Who are we inviting next? For a challenge.
You said it. Say it now. It's male or female?
Female.
Female. I have any female now. And we have female next week.
For giving me that, let me give you in return.
Oh my gosh. Just to see the way they play love.
I will be inviting a female to do a video with me. I'm going to be surprising my wife.
So you want to bring a female to the house to surprise me? Guys, please, Bikobia. He want to be inviting a female to the house as a guest to surprise me.
So watch out for that video. And let's
We are
see how
waiting.
it's gonna the outcome.
We are waiting, including me. We are waiting.
I don't want to bring male, I want to bring female this time.
Oh, you feel you can win the female or what? I don't know.
Let's keep our finger crossed until then.
You never even feel win me. You want go win that person. You don't win me finish. No, you dey use what till they win me here. We just bring another person, they go bow again. You don't win me finish.
Yeah, I feel closer and win you.
Same thing with me. Guys, just go and check our previous video if you are just watching now. After this video, just scroll. Go and check the video we have been doing challenge. I mean challenge. That we set money. Go and check. You know this month. We always that.
I so much enjoy this food. For really.
Can we say
Frankly speaking.
The is just looking like the other
So you see that one. So you that one this.
The other different still there.
Okay.
So it's them for my ear.
So who's the winner?
Look at your meat, are still very fresh there. Me, I almost clear my leaf. Honey, you have been drinking water. You are still asking who is the winner.
What about your water? But you say you're wise.
So this man has been drinking water.
What about your own water? Bring it and let us see.
Yeah, I'm not drinking water since so. So this man is a bit wayo inside his finger.
The one.
And so wayo fuller. He has been drinking water since. I didn't even notice him. He's still asking who is the winner. All that messing.
You have to be alert. You have to be at alert.
You have to be alert.
Oh. If not.
Funke! Ayé mi tèmi, bá mi.
Yeah. You want me to say sorry, you are laughing. You are laughing, you want me to say sorry. If we're to begin now.
It's funny though. It's so funny. I can't big my chop man like this. Pepper say, oh my.
Is that one that they call the meat? So guys, thank you so much for staying with us up to this time. As you can see, I cannot even see well. Let's stand up so I'm going to wash my eyes. Thank you so much for staying with us up to this time. As you can see, we are definitely going to resign out right now. If this is today's your first time, like coming across our video for the first time, please do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Like and share our video and leave a positive comment down below. And please like,
subscribe,
share,
and leave a comment down below.
So see you all in the next amazing video.
We
We
say
say
we
we
love
love
you.
from the deep bottom of our heart. We say bye bye. Peace out. Oh my God.